Hi, I'm Dr. Alyssa, a naturopathic doctor, and in today's video, we're talking about Cissus quadrangularis. It's been used traditionally in Ayurvedic medicine to help with joint support, as well as bone strength and inflammation reduction, as well as recovery. So if you're dealing with stiff joints or old injuries that are flaring up, then this one is worth knowing about. Now let's talk about what it is. Cissus quadrangularis comes from a vine in the grape family. It has active components called ketosterones. Now, ketosterones have been studied for their effects on joint cartilage and repair, as well as bone density and strength, and reduced inflammation and swelling, as well as faster repair. Now, because of these properties, Cissus is often used in athletic recovery as well as osteoarthritis. Now let's go through how it works. Cissus helps to support your joint health in multiple mechanisms. One is that it promotes cartilage and tissue repair by increasing fibroblasts and osteoblasts. It reduces inflammation in joints and connective tissue. It supports bone healing and provides antioxidants. This combination can reduce joint stiffness, help with mobility, and recovery. Now let's talk about how to take it. Most Cissus supplements are taken at 1 capsule twice a day before meals, and consistency really matters. You may see results within 2 to 4 weeks, but the best results showing in 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Now, a note on safety. Cissus is generally well tolerated, but people may experience symptoms of low blood sugar, like dizziness, as well as headaches or digestive upset. And make sure to talk to your healthcare practitioner before starting if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, have diabetes, or a history of hypoglycemia. And if you begin taking it and experience any tremors, anxiety, or dizziness, then make sure to discontinue use and talk to your healthcare provider. So all in all, Cissus quadrangularis is a unique herb that helps with joint health, bone strength, and inflammation. Now, if you've heard of or tried Cissus before, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.